Hello everyone, welcome back to TW Electronics. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this Redragon mouse. So let's get unboxing. So on this side you're going to see some tape. Just need to undo that and then unwrap it. And there'll be a little bit sticky stuff under here. Just rip that off. And then it's like enclosed but like a, so basically you gotta like unpop it, as you could probably hear there. Unpop, and unpop. So that last one was kind of hard. So inside you'll have the mouse. You'll have the mouse covered in plastic, and you'll have the little USB that you plug into your computer. So you're gonna take that out, take out the USB. So here's the USB. This is what it kind of looks like. So you can put that to the side for now. And this, if you want to keep the box and put the mouse back in it, you can. I'm probably just gonna throw it away, so put that to the side. And then here is the mouse. So as you can see here, here's the scrolling, and then here's the two buttons on the side. There's not a lot of buttons on this mouse. This is more for like, I would say, a desk mouse or a beginner gamer mouse. It's not like an extreme gamer's mouse. I would use this for like beginning gaming or games that you game, but they're not just extreme games. This is more for like Minecraft or something like similar to that. So here's the mouse, here's the Redragon logo, and it's very comfortable in your hand. It's very smooth, very slick, and when you grab onto it, it just feels good. And then you can sense up to, it's got 6 function buttons. You can 5 quick change DPI settings, so 800, 1200, 1600, 2000, and 2400 DPI. So those are all the ranges on this mouse. And so now I'm gonna go get my computer, and also there's a user's manual in here, multiple different languages in here. So there's that, and then here we have it's a thank you for purchasing this, and then we can Amazon review it if we liked it, or if you didn't like it, contact them and tell them why you didn't like it. And their website's down here at the bottom. So we're gonna put that to the side, and I'm gonna go get my computer, and I'll show you guys how it lights up. So I've got my USB hooked up to my computer, as you can see right here, and then here's the mouse. I haven't turned it on. So one mode that you have is the on mode. Turn it on. That's gonna flash a little bit, and then as you can see, the logo's already lit up, and so here's it all lit up. I'm gonna shade it kind of so you can see it in the dark. And then there's also, and this is how you change the DPI settings. You hold this for 5 seconds, and that light will turn green. 3. Well, so now I changed the DPI settings, so my mouse is just, I switched it to the next DPI up. And so there's also eco mode, which basically you just don't have the lights, and you just don't have the lights, and it's just regular mouse now. So without the light up, I mean, it's still got all the buttons still function correctly. It's just that the lights don't light up anymore. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you like this video.